Hi, welcome to Xkweesit. Today we'll be making this dual color pearl bracelet. Before I forget, please remember to subscribe to our channel Xkweesit for more of such content. Thank you. We start with white pearls 8mm, pink pearls 8mm. These are the light pink variety. Silver seed beads 11/0. We sometimes call this as the sugar beads as well. We'll be using the silver findings for this bracelet. We'll start off with the lobster clasps as well as the chain extension. We'll also be using crimp caps, jam rings, as well as 2 seed beads. For the string, we'll be using the 0.25 nylon string, and we'll be using the equivalent of 6 times our wrist length. So after measuring, we'll then cut our string. We'll then fold the string into half by putting the 2 ends together, and once we have found the 2 ends together, we'll trace it until we reach the middle loop, and we'll then tie this knot at the middle loop. So we'll tie a knot, you can tie a double knot for safety's sake so that it does not come out easily, but for the video I'll be just tying one single knot. Next, we'll insert a seed bead into the lines. Pull it until you reach our knot. We'll then insert a crimp cap through lines again. Now, we'll then cut off the excess string, which is the loop. Fuse the knot with fire, and now I'll close the crimp cap. Next, we'll attach a jam ring to the crimp cap. So we'll first open the jam ring. And then we'll put a chain extension into the jam ring. So we'll attach the extension by hooking it into the jam ring, and we'll close the jam ring. There you go. We are now ready to start beading. So let's start beading. First up, we'll weave a seed bead. Then we'll put in one white pearl plus 4 beads into one of the string. We'll put in 4 beads and 1 thin pearl in the alternating string. Then we'll weave 1 seed bead. We'll just repeat the pattern that we have done just now. Now we have come to our last weave. So our last weave is usually a seed bead. So we'll close it with a seed bead and we'll then tie a knot after we have weaved the bead. Now we'll insert a crimp cap through both lines. We'll then insert a seed bead through both lines as well. And then we'll tie a triple knot. After which we'll cut off the excess strings. Then we'll fuse the knot with fire. Close the crimp cap. Attach a jump ring to the crimp cap.
Attach a lobster clasp to the jump ring. Finally, we'll close the jump ring. And there you go. Our dual color pearl bracelet is done. And now this is how it looks like when I wear it on my wrist. Once again, we hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Thank you.